Good morning, I'm Wombat and I hike in Kyushu, Japan. And today I'm at my favorite place in Kyushu. This is Hiraodai. Plan is to climb Mount Nuki, find Kiss Rock and check out a cave. First we have to go over this hill. Just saw a huge Japanese hornet. Ooh, looked right at me. Wow, it's narrow. Mount Ohira Summit. Okay, so we're gonna come down here, follow this trail up over here, go up to this hill here, which I believe is called Shiho Hill, then go along here to Mount Nuki. Ooh. Sunny, cloudy. Sunny, cloudy. Oh man, that's a big hill. Flat ground. Cool. We made it to Shiho Hill. Gonna go up to Mount Nuki next. Easy peasy. Whew. Mount Nuki, we made it. We're done with Nuki-san. Thank you, Nuki-san. Next, let's go to Kiss Rock. Okay, we're back at Shiho Hill, but this time we're going to go down here. Turn right at the can. Cool. Follow the wiggly line. So why is it called Kiss Rock? Well, it's supposed to look like two people kissing. Really? Let's have a look. I think I just saw a tanuki, a raccoon or something. You know, my last two hikes, I saw some beautiful deer, but I couldn't get it on camera. Just now, saw a huge, maybe a raccoon. Again, sorry, didn't get it on camera. Tell me if you see any kiss-shaped rocks. This way? Kind of scared something's gonna jump out. Are you ready for it? I found it. Let's have a look at this. Kiss Rock. Mwah. It's kind of romantic. Too bad I'm alone today. Okay, next we're going to my lunch spot, then we'll check out some caves. My lunch spot, down here. I'm hungry. There it is. There's a sign here saying I can't use my burner. So I guess this is not my lunch spot. A snack spot. Okay, we've had our satisfying lunch. So it's time to check out the cave. Senbutsu Limestone Cavern. This way. Welcome. I just want to check the temperature. And it's about 26 degrees. 26.6 degrees. I'm interested to see what the temperature is inside the caves. Bit nervous, but I think I'm ready. Wish me luck, buddy. Let's go in. feel like Indiana Jones or something. Time to get wet. Yeah. So cold. I'm so glad I brought a towel. Cold and wet. This cavern was fun, but a bit wet. Last Christmas I went to a different one that was really good, a bit drier, lots of bats. It's really cool. All season happy. See you again. Cute. Well, we're back. We made it. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. More information about this hike in the video description, including trail map and access. So check it out. And see you in the next hike.